Are you looking for a new career option? Have you heard about Scrum Master? So in this video, let's discuss how can you become a Scrum Master. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Nagesh Deshpande, a PSM2 certified Scrum Master, IC Agile certified Agile coach, and certified career coach. So in this video, I'm going to make it simple how you can become a Scrum Master. So if you have spent around 10 years in IT, you may be working as a software tester, maybe a developer, a BA, or some sort of technical role that you are performing in your organization, and you're not sure that what is a Scrum Master and what should be my next step to become a Scrum Master. What is a Scrum Master? Scrum Master is a kind of a person or individual who has knowledge and experience working with agile development teams as a servant leader and a coach. While working, he needs to make sure, he or she need to make sure that he is removing the impediments, facilitating the meetings, also make sure the teams are there or follow the agile values and principles, Scrum values and principles. He also need to make sure that team is working on a one common goal. And guys, that's the Scrum Master for you. What should be the first step? The first step is to understand the Agile fundamentals. What is Agile? What is Scrum? So Agile is a methodology and Scrum is a framework. Read about it. Read the Agile manifesto. Read the Scrum guides. Understand the difference. In this, understand the fundamentals. Understand the basics. You need to adopt the mindset, not just the process. Next step is study Scrum framework. What is Scrum? Read the Scrum guide. Read about the Scrum roles, events, artifacts. Understand the difference between a Scrum Master, product owner, and development team, their roles and responsibility, how they collaborate and work together towards a unique goal. Leverage your IT experience. As I said, if you're working in IT, you should know what is software development lifecycle, how project works, how a team work together, how the dependencies are being managed. If you know these kind of basics, you are good to go to become a Scrum Master. You need to work on facilitation skills. What do you mean by facilitation skills? You should lead the teams, you should lead the meetings, you should host the meetings, you can do some sort of trainings or workshops. You should be able to do that. If you are already doing it, you are good, you can become a Scrum Master. Improve communication. Your communication need to be very precise. Work on it. Read more, listen more, talk to different people. Communication is not just about speaking good English. You should be able to communicate, you should be able to collaborate, you should be able to understand what people are saying. Another thing is you should able to read or write good emails. So these are the few communication skills you need to improve to become a Scrum Master. The next important thing is get certified. Certification is a key to a bigger door. Certification may not guarantee you a promotion or a role as a Scrum Master, but it's a good way to prove your skills, your knowledge. If you ask me about certification, there are multiple type of certifications, but I will recommend two of them. The one is Certified Scrum Master, which is provided by Scrum Alliance. The second is PSM. PSM is provided by scrum.org. If you ask me personally, I will recommend go for PSM, PSM 1 or PSM 2, as it doesn't have a renewal fees. So for more details, I'll give you the links in the description box. Once you are certified or while You are learning about Scrum, start applying Scrum into your current role. If you are a developer or tester, facilitating or start understanding the pattern of daily Scrum, the process of daily Scrum, retrospective, sprint planning, sprint review. You should know why these events are important, how it get conducted. Try to shadow your Scrum Master, talk to your Scrum Master friends or colleagues. You should build some sort of experience. How can you do that? You should start volunteering in your project activity as a Scrum Master. Ask your Scrum Master if he or she can help you. Take some of the responsibility from his or her shoulder. You should also start networking and joining Agile communities. Keep learning. Join Agile meetups, conferences. There are webinars, online webinars. There are channels like I have. You can watch, learn more, and keep growing. So, here are some of the ways you can become Scrum Masters. To learn more, you can connect with me. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. You can book a call with me on TopMed or subscribe to my channel. Feel free to ask for any help. Put your all the doubts in comment box. See you in the next video. Thank you.